It's Diecast Showroom here, bringing you guys another video on the channel. Today we're going to be opening up a pair of awesome Hot Wheels Corvettes. We have the 62 Corvette and the Corvette C7 Z06, and these are both from the Then and Now series for 2023. Awesome pair of gray Corvettes. This is the 62 Corvette, and this is actually quite a beautiful looking casting. Take a look at that. Both of these are in a metallic gray color. And this 62 Corvette is 216 of 250 on the year, 5 of 10 from the Then and Now series. And P-Case, Then and Now is cars from the past and the present. Can you collect all 5 pairs? So this is a pair of Then and Now vehicles. This is from the past, this is from the present. And this is a way newer Corvette, Then and Now, 1 of 10. 193K case, so this one actually came out earlier. Alright, so this is about, I want to say a 55 year difference on these vehicles. And this is a C1 Corvette, this is a C7 Corvette, 7th gen. This is the last year of the first generation of the Corvette. And let's get this one open. This is a beautiful one. Absolutely awesome. There we go. Dark metallic gray. And there's a quick look at that. And we got the metallic gray C7 Z06. Has some good weight to it. How did we do in the opening? We did good? Yeah, we sure did. Nice clean openings there. Let's take a look at the 62 Corvette first of all. So this has 5 spokes. Ooh, those spin really well. So we got 5 spokes, black 5 spokes with a chrome rim. Kind of looks like a tan interior. Silver stripes. There's the roofing there. We just opened up a Corvette gasser, a 62 Corvette gasser. And this is the regular 62 Corvette. There is the back of the casting there. Very cool. And number 2 on the side, the Corvette logo. And this feels very good. This is a very nice casting. And there is the front end of that there. Great spinning wheels. There is the 62 Corvette by Hot Wheels for you. And this casting's been out for quite a while, 2008 on the base. Chrome plastic base. Looking very nice. And this is a C7 Z06 hardtop Corvette. And these are the same kind of color scheme for the rims. This one has PR5 Phil Reelman 5-spoke wheels. And once again with the silver stripes and the hood scoop. This is a pretty Corvette. There's the front end. Love the details. The painted headlights. They did a great job on this one. There's the other side. Very nice. Slick Corvette coupe. With the hardtop. Hot Wheels did make a convertible of this as well. Look at this. Painted taillights. Painted rear details. Along with the stripes on the top. That's awesome. You don't see that too often. I think they're going to up their quality a little bit with the price increases on Hot Wheels. I think I got these both at Walmarts at different points in time. These are such nice Corvettes though. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe for more. Some awesome Corvettes we got here today by Hot Wheels. This one's from the past. This one's from the present. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye.